Hello 2020 user, thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add the Prep for Turn Post mod to a cabinet. In your most recent catalog, go ahead and place your cabinet. Then you'll want to right click on the cabinet and go to Attributes. And we'll go to Add-ons, and since I'm doing a base cabinet, I'll go to Base Modifications and then Frame Modifications. And you'll have to scroll down pretty far to find this Prep for Post. And you'll notice there's one for a left, one for a right, or for both if you want to do both. So we'll go ahead and do the left. And a window will pop up that'll ask you the depth and the width of the prepping that you want to happen. So you'll have to look at your turn post and see what size it is and figure out how far you want it to, stick out past the side of the cabinet or be in front of the cabinet or be flush with the face frame or whatever the look is that you're going for. So you'll enter those numbers and hit apply and OK. And we'll take a look and it should be in there. And it's ready for you to go ahead and float your turn post in for your visual for your customer. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there's any other 2020 learning topics that you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!